Hello, Jane Cleland here. Are publishers concerned whether you're able to travel to market your own book? I think the better question is, are publishers concerned that you will promote and market your own book? Traveling is one way, going to see independent bookstores, they hand sell, going to libraries, they make recommendations, running workshops, going to conferences, serving on panels. These all matter and will help you in your efforts to sell the book. Travel is one aspect of that, but it's not the only one. There are all the other ways you can reach readers via social media, by guest blogging, perhaps podcasts. You need to take a 360-degree view with what is in mind. Keep in mind, how can I reach readers who will enjoy my book? You want to just reach readers in general. You're looking for readers who value your genre, your style, your voice. How do you reach them? If you can do that, you're fine. I have a new book coming out, Beat the Bots: How to Survive and Thrive in the Age of AI. It's out in August 2025, so if you're seeing this before then, would you pre-order it? That would be so great. Thank you. And if you're seeing this after August 2025, please buy it. Recommend to your library that they stock it. I'd be very appreciative. And if you find this tip had value for you, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.